Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from Outre. Alright guys, so we are back with Miss LILIA from the Outre lace front wig collection. I'm so excited to get into this unit because we have her in the color cinnamon spice. Okay, so I'm going to pull her on out. Look how beautiful she is. This unit has two combs in the front, one comb in the back with adjustable strips for kind of forever. And this is the stock card. She's really a stunning unit, like a nice body wave. LILIA is going for just about under $28. Okay, so let's just want to see what mother is working with. Okay, so I also want to call attention to this lace parting. I really kind of like that. They give you an ear-to-ear lace. We're definitely going to color it in because it's a little bit light. But look at that parting space. Okay, guys? Hey my loves, I am so excited to get into this Outre LILIA unit with you, okay? This hair, I don't know if it's the hair or if it's the hair color, but something got me feeling a certain kind of way, okay? So this is an HD transparent lace, okay? It's pre-plucked Swiss lace in the front, and it has like a natural baby hair, all right? Which I really do love. We did cut in a little bit more, but that just was for me purposes and at the ear tabs. I just wanted to make sure that it laid properly. So we didn't get in any of those like black hairs hanging out. Now, my black hairs actually. So I want to go through and just darken the lace a little bit because it is a bit bright. Okay, it's a little white. All right, and I just am going in and just making sure that that's darkened and that those ear tabs, those that I'm cutting the hair out on the side so that all of my hair is covered and you get a beautiful cinnamon spice look. Okay, so this unit is going for just under $28 on most wig sites. Now, Outre did not come to play with us with this one. I like the most about this that this is a super affordable unit. Okay, now this unit does tangle a bit, it does shed a bit, but you do have to keep in mind this is a $28 bop, okay? As my girl Shannon says, this one really does come through, and she isn't hard to get together. Like, I'm doing a little bit more work only because this is a colored unit and I just want to make sure it looks seamless and lays properly. But if this was black, this is definitely a throw on and go situation. Color your lace and keep it moving, okay? I did not have to do much of any work at all to this unit except for just making sure that she was laid properly. And again, that's primarily because we're going cinnamon spice today, okay? We want to look like that sexy fish from Nemo. What was that fish name? Bust down. Y'all got kids. Bust down. Tell me the name of that fish. The point is, okay, this unit is fire, all right? I really do love the wave. She looks like she's just about like 26 to 30 inches, but like 26 to 28 inches. She's a super long unit and she's super sexy, but you do have to bear in mind that this is a synthetic unit. She is $28 and you got to treat mother with the respect she deserves, okay? So we just going to go on through, add a little bit of heat to this unit and get her all the way together for y'all. Let me tell you something. I am so obsessed with this. I cannot get enough of her. She is stunning. Let me turn around. Okay, I love the hair. The texture of the hair is more of like a yaki feel. And this cap is super snug. I know I said that already, but she's super snug. But this unit for under $28 is definitely a one night stand, especially in this color. We meet and we swiping right on Mother. Okay, is this swipe right or swipe left? Which one is it? But either way, we're going to meet her at the coffee shop and hang out and do some things. Okay, something strange for a piece of change. She is fire. Let me back up. I love this color. Look at this color. Bust up on her. Bust up on her, child. Woo! I really ain't got nothing else to say. This unit is fire. I love the wave. It's so sexy. It's giving like old Hollywood. I love the hair color. And I done came through and provided, honey. Outre said, we're going to throw you, throw you something at you real quick. Okay? Pick it up, though. Pick it up, though. And that's exactly what we did with LILIA. So check her out. Again, she is just under $28, and you can't beat that with a bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this Rami Chapman channel, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later.